In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use VO3 to create a realistic video. And guess what? It is free. Everything you are going to do, it is free. So this is the website. The link will be available in the description of this video. Okay. Now you can see that they have different subscription. If you click on that subscription part, you will see that we have different type of subscription. We have the free one. We have this one as well, which is 28,500 naira per month. And we have the last one, which is 179,000 naira per month. Okay. So we are going to be using this Google AI Pro. And it is free for just 1 month. It is free. So that means you can subscribe and they will not deduct your money for 1 month. You can use the service for 1 month. Okay. So to do so, you just click on Get Started. So when you click on Get Started, it will direct you to this place. You just click on Get Google AI Pro as well. So from there, you need to sign up with your email. So make sure the email you sign up with is also the same with your name. Okay. So you click on Agree, and from there you can put in your card details. But don't worry, they will not deduct any money from your account. They will not deduct any money. It's either you do it with your phone or you just click on Add Card. You can use any of the two options that is available there. Okay. So when you are done putting your card details, don't be scared. They will not deduct any money from you. So I will also show you how to unsubscribe, because if you did not unsubscribe from that subscription, they will deduct your money after 1 month. Or I can show you how you can unsubscribe from that Google plan so that they will not deduct your money in the next month. But when you try it for the first time like this, you are going to use the service for free. So when you are done with subscription, it will direct you to this page. Okay, that is when you are done with the subscribe. They will not deduct any of your money. So they will direct you to this page. So you will click on video. You will click on this video. So it will direct you to the video section. Okay, when you click on the video, it will direct you to the video section, and from there you can put in your prompts. So from here, you can go to ChatGPT to go and generate a prompt. I have already generated a prompt, and this is the prompt that you are seeing on my screen from ChatGPT. Okay, so when you are done with your prompt and everything, with your storyline and everything, you will now copy this prompt and go and paste it on that Google VO3. So let us copy the prompt. So when you copy the prompt, you paste it here. Okay. So when everything is set, you just click on send. You click on that submit. Okay. And you are going to wait patiently for the AI to generate the video. So presently is generating the video. As you can see, generating video. So it might take up to 1 or 2 minutes. Now our video is ready. Let us play and see.
Now AI I be. Guy, forget. Now AI I be. I no be human again. I don't upgrade.
So that is the first video. Now you will now go back to ChatGPT to go and copy the second prompt. Okay, if you have up to 2 or 3 or 5 prompts, you copy the second prompt. You also go and paste it back. So that is how you'll be generating your video one after the other till you are done. So let us paste the second prompts. So we are going to wait for a few minutes to generate the video, as you can see. All right, so our second video is ready. Let us play it and see. So that is the second video, and this is the first video. So that is how you will continue. So that is how you continue to generate all the videos, and when you are done, you arrange them to CapCut and edit, do the final edit. You download everything and arrange it on CapCut. You gather everything on CapCut, and you will do if there's any other adjustment, you will do it and you export your video. All right, so if you want to unsubscribe from that Google VO3, you you can use your phone, and if you want to use your system, I think you can also use your system, but for this one I will be using my phone. So you will click on, you open your Play Store. So you will click on this your profile at the top. So this is where you will see your accounts. You will see subscriptions, you see payments and subscriptions. So you click on it. So you see the subscriptions. You click on subscriptions. So you will see all your subscriptions here. Okay, you can see that I've already cancelled this Google one. So that is the Google View 3. I've already cancelled it, so they will not deduct my money again. Now this place you will see all your active subscription. So for this one, you can see this CapCut that is I have currently subscribed to it. So you can, if I want to cancel the subscription, you just click on this. You will see cancel subscription. You see cancel subscription. So from there you can just cancel it. When you click on cancel it, you cancel. You can see that this Google one has been cancelled. You can see cancelled. So that is how you can cancel your subscription after subscribing. Don't worry, they will not deduct your money for the first one. But if you did not cancel the subscription, they will deduct your money after 1 month. So that is why it is necessary to unsubscribe. You can do it immediately you subscribe. You can do it immediately or the second day before that 1 month ends. Okay, so that this is how you can cancel your subscription.
You see this video, so now AI do am.
So guys, this is how you can do this video on Google View 3. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can generate more videos with Google Flow. So just have to stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye for now.